Hello, good morning from Horton Plains National Park. This is the first stop on my road trip across Sri Lanka in my Tuk Tuk. This national park is way high up in elevation. It's a cloud forest, as you can tell. The visibility coming up was next to none. And it's very cold up here and kind of rainy because of all the mist. I'm gonna do a hike, but not a long one to a viewpoint because you can't really see much most likely. So I'm just gonna do a small hike and try not to get too wet, and we'll continue on. Good morning. It's another wet and misty day here in the central highlands of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous for its tea, and I just saw so much of it, so I knew I had to show you on this road trip. So the reason for this road trip was just out of necessity, really. I was in the south coast of Sri Lanka and I needed to get to the north. I just reached out to a company in Ella to rent a Tuk Tuk, and they set me up and it was really nice. So I'll link their company down below if you want to do it. They spent over an hour helping me learn to drive, so it was really, really smooth, and now I'm a very confident Tuk Tuk driver. So today I'm going through Kandy, the historical cultural center, I think, to get to Sigiriya Rock. It's about 5 hours of driving today, and yesterday was also maybe about 5 hours, but this will be more flat and warmer, so I'm really excited. What a morning. I hope you enjoyed this road trip across Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. I loved making it. I will post all of the locations I went to on this road trip if you're curious to go to any of them. And like I said, I will link the company that I used the Tuk Tuk for. I do recommend trying a Tuk Tuk if you've never done it. It's just something new. It was a challenge at first and it felt really good to overcome that challenge. And so yeah, this is one of my last videos in Asia, and I really hope you enjoyed this Asia series. It's like the first set of videos I'm really publishing on my channel, and 2026 is going to be a very big year for this channel. I'm going to be posting a lot, so please stay tuned, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.